Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful. Welcome to the video lectures. This is lecture number 1 for class 3. Subject is English and the book is New Oxford Modern English. Dear students, let's begin with the contents. First of all, I will give you instructions. Then recap of the story will be done. After that, we will do exercises that are given on page 4 of your book. In the end, you will be given homework. Okay, get ready for today's lecture with full concentration. Take out your books, notebooks, and stationery items. Moreover, I want all of you to be supervised by your parents or any other elder sibling. Students, we have read the lesson Dignity of Labor in our class. It means to respect and honor every kind of hard work. Every work deserves respect, and our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam liked to help his companions in every kind of task. After doing thorough reading of the story, now we need to do the exercises. And here is the exercise about opposites. In order to do this exercise, we need to understand what opposites are. They are also called antonyms. These are the words or concepts that hold opposite meanings. For example, if a thing is big, its opposite will be a small thing. Similarly, the opposite of day is night. And the white has opposite black. My dear students, now you open page 4 of your books. Here is exercise B, working with words. Its first part is about opposites. The question is, write opposites for these words. You can find the opposites of these words in the story that you have read, Dignity of Labor. Recall the story and you will find the opposites of these words given in the list. First word is never and its opposite is always. The next is no one and its opposite is everyone. The next word is quickly. Its opposite is commonly used in our daily life, that is slowly. The next word is liked and its opposite is disliked. Then comes friend. Its opposite is enemy. In the list, the next word is went. Went is basically the second form of verb go. And its opposite will be came. The next word is come and its opposite is go. The last word is foolish and its opposite is wise. Dear students, on the same page 4, there is another exercise about anagrams. This is exercise B3. Do you have any idea about anagrams? This is very interesting. Anagrams are the words which are made by rearranging letters of another word. Here are some examples. See the first one. This is eat. E-A-T, eat. There are 3 letters. If we rearrange these letters, we will get a new word that is tea. The next example is of pen. By rearranging its letters, we will have the anagram net. The other 2 examples are cat and teach, and their anagrams are act and cheat. After understanding the examples, you can very easily make the anagrams of these words given in the exercise. The first word is race. Its anagram will be care. Second one is part. Its anagram is track. The third word is heart and its anagram is earth. The last word is knee and its anagram is keen. Dear students, here is a homework for you. You will do both these exercises, exercise B1 and B3, in your English notebooks. This is all about today's lecture. I hope you have well understood it and you will do it neatly in your copies. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.